Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
डायरेक्टर्स कोण येवंक ना वो तेणी ड्यू टू कोवीड सिट्युएशन हे मिटींग तेणी एडजस्ट केला बट 26 तारीख कोवीड आहलोले टुडे बिकॉज दे आर फॉल्टी दे हैव नॉट कम एंड वी हैव गिवन देम ample time to get this matter settled.
Board of Directors have to give the list of defaulters along with all other details as promised in the AGM held on 26/12/2020 within 10 days. If the said list is not provided within 10 days, then shareholders will hear out all the directors either at their residences or at their place of work. The bank has to provide the list of movable properties, immovable properties, collateral securities and other financial details as requested by the shareholders. The shareholders have resolved to file a criminal complaint against the board of directors at all times who have put the bank in a loss. If at all the FIR is not filed by the police, then we will pursue further legal course of action. The bank has to trim the excess staff, cut out the contract staff, try to merge banks from rented premises to their normal premises owned by the bank itself. There are a lot of people who have lockers in the bank who are facing problems in accessing. So the shareholders have resolved that the bank is supposed to get in touch, find a solution and resolve this locker issue once and for all because that does not come under the purview of the RBI.